that fun? Oh, bless you. You're doing it the wrong way, baby. Gotta go in a whole circle. Do you like your new dollhouse? Say thank you, Grandpa. Say thank you, Grandpa, for my dollhouse. Hi. Are you gonna put your baby in night-night? Put her in night-night. Put her in her bed. Chloe, put her in her bed to go night-night. She night-night? Yeah, shh. She's asleep. Is she in her bed?
Pink.
What? Pink? Do you like your dollhouse? Look, make her go up the stairs. Make your baby go up the stairs. She's at night-night? She in night-night? Get her out. Put her up, make her go up the stairs. That's the elevator. She go night-night too? She go night-night in her bed? Give her a bath. Put her in the bath. Is she taking a bath? Ouch. And you're gonna make her eat some bites? Eat. She eating. Put her on the potty. Here, mommy help you. Do you want me to open it? Put her on the potty.